Hello everyone and welcome back. Two budget music players, same price, very different strengths. Today we're looking at the FiiO JM21 and the Hiby M300. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Both are slim and light, easy to slip into your pocket. The JM21 is a little bigger with a 4.7-inch screen and a mix of metal plastic. It feels solid, and FiiO even throws in a case and screen protector right out of the box. The M300 is smaller, closer in size to a thumb drive than a phone. It has metal sides and a glass front and back, which looks nice, but it also feels a bit easy to drop. No case included either. Build quality goes to the JM21. This is where the two really split apart. The JM21 has two DAC chips inside, dual Cirrus logic chips, and can push up to 700 milliwatts from its balanced port. That means you can actually use it with bigger headphones, not just earphones. The sound is clean, wide, and has a strong bass and clear detail. The M300 only has a single DAC chip and tops out at 103 milliwatts. It sounds warm and smooth, which is great for earphones, but it simply can't drive bigger headphones well. If sound power matters to you, the JM21 wins by a mile. Both run Android 13, so you get Spotify, Tidal, and all your streaming apps. The JM21 has a 3.5mm and 4.4mm balanced output. The M300 only has a 3.5mm jack, no balanced option. But the M300 has a built-in speaker and FM radio, which is actually fun for casual listening. The JM21 also supports more listening modes like USB DAC and Bluetooth receiver, making it way more flexible overall. The M300 surprises when it comes to battery life. Reviewers report well over 15 hours of real-world use from its small 2000 mAh battery. The JM21, the 4GB version of course, claims up to 16 hours single-ended, and real-world results back that up. It's basically a tie, though the M300 edges ahead in standby time. The JM21 sits at around $179 to $200. The M300 has dropped to around $159 at some stores. So the M300 is a little cheaper, but the JM21 gives you much more for just an extra few dollars. If you want the best sound, the most power, and the most flexibility, get the FiiO JM21. If you want the smallest possible player, great battery life, and a more casual experience, get the Hiby M300. It is still a solid choice, but dollar for dollar, the JM21 is the better buy. That's it for today's video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.